Yes, class. Did you read the pages that I posted yesterday on the app or on the group?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir. I have read the entire chapter.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So everyone, please ready. Okay. In the upcoming days, we will have the test. Okay. And listen one thing that few students' performance is good in class 8th chemistry. Okay. This I am telling you, very few students, 3 or 4 girls and 3 or 4 boys. Okay, that are replying me every time the answers. So boys and the remaining boys and girls, please, because I had took the test in one of the class and the performance was just okay or just below the line. Okay, so because I don't know what's the reason. Okay, they are replying either from on the classes that you are replying, or they also replying either from the saying from the book. Okay, or you just Google it. Whatever, this is up to you. You know it better. So please, this is the only way to check your performance. I will take your test, inshallah, on the coming days. I will inform you. So boys and girls, please read the chapters carefully and the type of questions I will tell you, inshallah, what type of questions will come in the test. So yes, boys, yes, beta, you first tell me, who will tell me, who will read the pages. Yes, Navia, you tell me first, beta, what you have read.
Yes, sir. You told us to read the pages, and I also went through the chapter. I have completed the entire chapter in my notebook, also, alhamdulillah. I went through all the topics and tried to understand them. I also watched a few videos to make my concepts more clear and went through a few websites also.
Very good, mashallah. So, beta,
Jazakallah.
tell me what you have read on 44 and 45. Just these 2 pages only. Okay.
All right. So, sir, in on page number 44, we are explained about some methods of separation of mixtures. And we are told that how mixtures are separated from their components and how the components are separated. We have already studied about methods like hand picking, sieving, winnowing, and etc. So they have just summarized all the concepts in a table, and I went through this table properly, and then they have mentioned about hand picking, sieving, and the various other topics in detail. So I went through all the concepts and tried to understand them.
Okay. And yes, who will tell me the next? Then I will tell you. After, let me see. Yes, is
Yes, sir.
anyone ready? I am saying yes, anyone other student can tell me what you have read on pages number 40 to 40. Yes, anyone
Sir,
student?
should I tell? Munazza here.
Okay, only these 2 girls are very much active, alhamdulillah, and their concepts are very good. Munazza? Yes, beta Munazza.
Yes, sir. So, sir, yes, sir. I have already read the entire chapter and I have done the exercises also. But my all the concepts were clear. But I watched one video in which it
Okay.
was all the summary of the chapter.
Okay.
So, sir, on page number 44, we were told how we separate mixtures and how the mixtures are useful and why we need to separate the mixtures. And also, they told us some of the methods of separation of mixtures. And
Beta,
yes, sir, there was a
everyone
table
open.
also.
Hold for a second. Everyone, please open page number 44. Okay. Yes, go ahead, Munazza.
And so there was a table also which summarized us the separating methods with their example and their differentiating properties. And we were told about the different, we were told on page number 45 about hand picking and sieving of where they are used and what and their definitions and their examples. And there was also an activity.
Okay, mashallah, very good. So in the last, I will ask you 2 questions, one from Nabiha and one from Munazza. Okay. Let me ask some questions from the other boys. Okay. Is it clear to Munazza, Nabiha? Be ready for that.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Mute yourself immediately. Please mute yourself. Okay. Yes, beta Mehtab Nadir.
Hello.
What is this?
What is happening? Abdullah Mashogi Pata.
Beta Al-Qamar, from today I am writing the names. Okay, I already wrote the names. I took the class in the 6th, so I write the names of the students who are not following the instructions. Yes, Al-Qamar.
Yes, sir.
Al-Qamar, please tell me what you have read on this. Okay, on page number 44
Now?
and 45. Yes, right now. Do not read. Okay, you are reading and you are replying me just by reading. Okay, that's why I think your concepts are not clear. You are not replying me whenever I'm
On which
asking.
page number, sir?
44, beta. You are not reading the messages I have posted yesterday on the WhatsApp. What you have to do in the today's class? Yes, Al-Qamar, Al-Qamar, Mashood. Yes, Al-Qamar, fast.
Yes, sir.
You are reading right now, I think. You are reading right now, and then you will summarize to me. Your time is over. Mehtab Nadir.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum Salam. Yes, Mehtab Nadir, please tell me, what do you read under the topic of separation of mixture?
So, sir, in the previous classes also we learned about different kinds of mixtures. So, from page number 44 to page number 46, they told us the ways to means like uh, you can by which we can differentiate them by easily. Like if we want heterogeneous mixture, we can separate the particles using hand picking, sieving, winnowing, and if there is you can say homogeneous mixture, then we can use filtration, evaporation, magnetic separation, etc. So sir, all these things were given on page number 45, 46, and sir, on page number 44 there was a table as well
Are you
in which
sure?
it was
Are
summarized.
you sure everything is covered? You told me on 44 page number. Is there some rules are given for separation of mixtures? Is any rule is given for separating a two mixtures?
Sir, I didn't get what you said.
You didn't read it properly, na? That's why you didn't reply me. Yes, Alishba Tariq. Only two students give me the answer. Okay, today. Yes, beta, Alishba. Alishba Tariq. Beta, it is mentioned here to separate any two things. Okay, the components have different properties. Okay, if they don't, if the both the components, okay, have the same property, then how can they separated? It is written on page number 44. Okay, is it clear? Yes, you understood, Mehtab Nadir?
Yes, sir.
It is given on
sir.
the right hand side of the page 44. Okay, in the second paragraph of column and the right column. Okay. Yes, Alishba Tariq, I'm asking to you. Yes, tell me. You are not replying? Alishba. Al-Qamar, please turn off your mobile. Oh, sorry, turn off your mic. Al-Qamar Mashood, turn off your mic, please. Okay, you are not replying me. Yes, Azra Shafi.
Sir, I've turned out. Yes, sir.
Azra Shafi, please you tell me. Okay, in your own words, what is the principle of hand picking?
So you're asking to me?
Yes. Azra Shafi,
Munazza, right?
not Munazza.
Oh, Azra.
Azra Shafi.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can you please repeat question?
I'm saying that please tell me what is the principle of hand picking?
Sir, the principle of hand picking is that in hand picking process, we
we pick the shape, we pick the other things, means we pick chaff from any material like rice, and we pick rice, and in hand picking process we pick everything from our on hand, and the things which are different from their shape, size, that thing we pick in hand picking.
Okay, so give me some other example beside chaff and grains. Okay. Give me other example of hand picking.
Sir, example, when we when we pick up small stones from pulses, rice, dals.
Okay. Yes, Maria Yusufi, please tell me some other example beside these two of hand picking. Maria Yusufi. Yes. Yes, beta. Maria, are you there, beta? Muhiba?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Mohammad Adib. I am asking this question to Maria. Maria, are you there, beta? Yes, Fatima Zafar.
Yes, sir.
Fatima Zafar, please you tell me some examples of hand picking beside these two given by Azra and Shafi. Okay. Beta, two mics still open. Mohammad Adib. Yes. You tell me, Fatima Zafar. Don't read from the book. Just see if you see somewhere the examples of hand picking. Okay.
Sir, example of hand picking.
Beta, are you Fatima Zafar Al Qamar? Huh? You change your
Sir, there
name.
are many examples, but the two that I know properly are that, for example, in rice there are small stones, in
Beta,
pulses.
these examples are covered. Okay. Beside these, if you are giving, then tell me, because I have to cover it also. Okay. Arfa Ejaz, are you there?
Example, there are rotten vegetables and some are fresh, so we can separate them through hand picking.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Good. Good. Very good. Yes. Arfa Ejaz, beta.
Yes, sir.
Arfa Ejaz, beta, you tell me about second thing, that is hand picking. Hand picking, beta. Tell me fast.
Sir, hand picking is the process in which we separate the odd components out of the mixer by hand.
What type of components you are removing from hand picking?
Sir, your voice is not coming clearly.
Okay, beta. I'm saying to Arfa that tell me what is hand picking.
Sir, useless components we take out from the mixer by hand.
Okay. And okay. So this question, please, Aman Mirza, you reply me. Aman Mirza, get online, and this is a question to you. Okay. Please remember to remember everyone. Such type of questions will be asked. I tell you the pattern of the test one day before I am announcing, when I will going to announce. One day before, I'll tell you the pattern of the test. Okay. Yes, Aman Misbah. Ahmad Misbah, beta. Okay, he is not here. I think she's not here. Yes, Rehma Khalid, beta, you there?
Yes, sir.
Please tell me immediately, fast, what are the, why there is a need of separating mixtures? Tell me quickly. What is the need? Why it is required to separate mixtures? Fast.
Sir, we separate the extra mixtures, means which is not good in our food,
Hmm.
or like,
Which are not in our food?
yes, sir, and many more, means in many more things,
Okay, tell me.
like in sand. There are some big stones in sand, so we separate them also by sewing.
Basically, tell me that what is the reason, without giving the example, why we do this? What is the need of separating the things? And if we do not separate, then what will happen? Okay. Yes, Moiba.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me please, beta. What is the need of separation of mixture?
Okay, sir. One reason is that we want to obtain some substance, like for example, we evaporate salt sea water to get salt,
Hmm.
and one is to remove
Means you are
impurities.
saying that we are doing separation to get useful things.
Yes, sir. Sometimes we do separation to get useful things. Like for example, in seawater, we separate salt and water to get salt.
By what?
We separate it by evaporation.
Yes. Okay.
And one reason is like for example, which we were discussing till now, like hand
Okay.
picking in the to remove impurities,
Yes, Adil
like
is right.
to get
You are written right the answer. Okay, yes, continue, Moiba.
one. And another reason is to remove impurities, like for example, to get pure clean water, we
Okay.
remove the mud
Okay.
or something else impure, some other impurities. And one more reason is like sometimes, for example, scientists or many other people, uh, like we need a pure substance of something, like for example, even the water we drink, that is contaminated usually, or it has different minerals.
Okay.
So to get a pure substance of a pure sample of water, we separate the minerals or the contaminated things
We separate the
from
minerals.
water.
Why we separate the minerals? These are useful. The minerals are useful.
Sir, like for example, if we want to use distilled water for something, like it is a fact that the contaminated water can only conduct electricity. Pure water does not conduct electricity. So if we need water for something, if we need water for stopping electricity, for example, so we have to first separate the minerals and the other salts to get pure water.
Okay, Jazakallah. Yes, I am asking you. Yes, beta. Nabia.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now it's question for you. Give me only some or one disadvantages of hand picking. Quick, within a minute.
All right, sir. So whenever we are doing hand picking, so this is in a case when the mixtures are present in a very small quantity.
Beta, listen.
And the
Mohammad Adib, turn off your mic. Yes, continue, beta. Fast.
all right, sir. So as we already know that the method of separating undesirable substances from a mixture by hand is called hand picking. So hand picking is done in a case when the mixture is present in a very small quantity.
Yes,
And the
just
component,
tell me the disadvantage only. Okay. Just tell me immediately the disadvantage.
the
Don't-
disadvantage we can take is like it consumes a lot of time. And secondly, we can say that we don't obtain, the actual pure substance. We don't get, entirely pure substance. There might be some impurities, till that time also present in that. So we don't get it entirely pure.
Beta,
We get
if
it partially
big,
pure.
yes, this is true. 100% purity is not be obtained. Okay, there are several methods:
Yeah,
hand
that's what I'm
picking,
saying.
sieving, winnowing. We didn't get 100% purity. So
Yeah,
this
that
is,
exactly.
and other processes also, we didn't get 100%. So tell
Yes,
me
sir.
the disadvantages of hand picking. If you remember more disadvantages. Yes. Another one is Munazza. Yes, but Munazza, you tell me.
Yes, sir.
Beside these two answered by Nabia, you tell me the disadvantage of, another disadvantage you having, no, the hand picking.
So Nabiha told that it consumes lot of time and it does
Yeah,
not,
this is over.
it does
This is
not
over.
happen.
Beside
Yes,
these.
sir. I was telling that. So, and sir, handpicking, it requires a lot of hard work also. For example, if I leave some, like if rice and grains, if
How hard
rice
work
and grains are mixed,
you
if
are
I
you
leave
are
some
simply
grains.
sitting and just picking in it, then how it is a hard work? Okay.
Sir, but it requires concentration. If you don't have concentration, you leave many of the
Okay.
grains or many of the insects inside the rice.
Okay.
Sir, can I tell one more disadvantage?
Yes, Murba, please continue.
Sir, it can only be used for solids that are of different shape and size and color. But for liquids, for example, and those which are similar to each other, we cannot use it for that.
Okay. So one of the
So can I also tell?
wait. One of the
Sir, I
disadvantage
have one more
is,
disadvantage. Can I mention?
So can I tell one?
I'm telling you, one of the most disadvantage is that hand picking basically is used when the substance are visible.
It is a very time consuming process.
Beta, this thing is, yes, this is also a point, but this thing is very important. If the substance are not visible, then is it possible to do hand picking?
Yes, sir. This was
No,
only my
sir.
point. That means it can be done with big substances, like
Yes.
which are visible,
Which are visible? That's good. Okay, this answer
not
I
like sand and
actually this
sugar.
answer.
It cannot be done with those.
Beta, this answer I want from Nabiha and Muzza. Okay, okay, all the answers are good, and all were giving me good replies. Yes, I am telling you again. Yes, tell me what is the concept of sieving? What is, yes, Abdul Rahman, Abdul Rahim, Abdul Rahim. Separation.
So should I tell?
Is present small quantity. Yes, 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 beta.
So should I tell?
Wait for a
Munazza.
second. Wait for a second. Munazza, you are active. Wait for a second. MashaAllah, actually your performance will be shown after the test. I'm telling you who will performing good in the class. This is so just you have a book in front of you, and you can answer it. Yes, Abdul Rahim, are you able? Abdul
Yes,
Rahim,
sir.
yes, please
sir.
tell me the concept, the principle of sieving. Tell me fast. If you know the answer, tell me fast.
Sir,
No, beta. Abdul Rahim,
Sir, please repeat the question.
beta, I am saying that what is the principle of sieving in your own words? You are not there. Okay. Yes, Ammar
Sir,
Zahid. Yes, tell me.
sir.
Yes.
The method of separating a mixture by using a
Yes, very
sieve
good,
is
mashallah,
called
Nabia.
sieving. The differentiate property is the size of the component of the mixture.
Yes. Tell me again.
When the mixture is placed on a sieve and the sieve is
Beta, I'm not.
shaken,
I'm not asking you the procedure. I'm just asking the principle of sieving.
Sir, can I try?
Yes, Abdul Rahim.
Princess, the principal is sad received as at construction
Okay.
sites.
Okay, I am asking you a very easy question. Okay, that particular person have to answer me. Mehtab Nadir, please get online first. Mehtab Nadir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes, Mehtab Nadir, immediately
Yes.
I'm giving you less than a minute. A few seconds are given to you. Just answer me where you see saving in your day-to-day life. Just tell
Sir,
me.
the construction areas, mostly construction areas, they use that pebbles.
Okay, that's right.
means-
That's nice. Okay, where you see saving in your house.
Sir, in villages we mostly see
Beta,
while when
I'm saying that where you see saving in your
No.
house on your daily
sir,
basis.
making chapati.
Making chapati.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Making chapati. When you make chapati, then you save it chapati.
No,
Huh?
sir. Actually, that corn flour we mostly sieve it first.
Sir, he is trying to say that we sieve the floor.
Receive the flour.
Okay.
He's trying to say that we
There,
save the flour.
there is a very day-to-day common example. Everyone do it. There is a chance
Sir,
of
it is
listen,
when
listen,
we
listen.
strain, sir, when we
Listen.
strain tea.
Very good. This is the day-to-day thing. Okay. In flour, there is a chance that nowadays flour come already sieved. Okay. In packets, when you open the packet,
Okay.
it's already sieved flour. Okay. Very good. So,
And so
mashallah.
just I would like to add something.
Okay.
We don't use corn flour to make chapatis. We use normal flour to make chapatis.
Exactly. We are not making
Yes.
chicken burgers.
Somebody
We
said that
actually
we
said corn
separate
flour.
corn flour.
Yes, sir, actually.
Okay. Very good. Mashallah. Such type of interaction when go the class and the class become interesting. Okay. Very good. Mashallah. Yes. Let me. Who is this? Azra Shafi, are you there, beta? Azra Shafi. Yes, you reply me once. Okay, today you reply me only one answer. Okay. Nabia reply me 3 answers and Munazza also reply me. Yes, I am asking this question to Ukasha Nauman. Beta, you there? Ukasha Nauman.
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Please tell me that the activity which is given on page number 45, just explain it to me in your own words. You read it first, okay, and then you will answer me. Read it first. Basically, they are hand making. They are also a substance which for use for hand picking. You see, when sulfur, we made sulfur. Okay, flowers or sulfur are separated from the natural sulfur. Okay, the hand picking is also used there. So for the test, for all the assessments, you have to read in between the line so that you can able to answer, because hand picking, the examples which you told, boys and girls, these are common examples. So there are 2 more examples given in your book, that is flowering of sulfur or hand picked from the natural occurring sulfur. Beta, listen this thing, flowers of sulfur, these are not flowers. Okay, just you thought that flower they are growing in and somewhere. Flowers are basically crystals of sulfur are called as flowers of sulfur. Is it clear?
So can you please repeat? Actually, I was unable to hear you properly.
I'm saying that beside these common examples of hand picking, there are 2 more examples given in your book, that is separation of sulfur by hand picking, or what we do, flowers of sulfur are hand picked from the naturally occurring sulfur. This is given in your book on page number 45. So don't confuse with the word flowers of sulfur. This is not a flower. Okay, this is not a flower. Basically, the crystals of sulfurs are called flowers of sulfurs, and after sublimation you get the sulfur, and this is called flower because one end you will its shape is look like a flower, that's why. Okay, beta.
All right, sir. That means it is similar to the floor, to the flour which is there in the kitchen.
Yes, it is similar
Alright.
to, beta, the crystal of sulfur. Okay,
Mhm.
and looks like a flower. Okay,
Yeah, that's what.
the
I
one
No,
hand.
Nabia, not the flour in the kitchen. It's like the
Yeah,
flour in
I
the
got
plant.
it. First I got confused.
FLOWER.
I got it now.
FLOWER. That's all. Okay, that one. Yes,
All
beta.
right, I got it.
I'm asking this question to, yes, who is a, yes, answer me. I told this to read the activity and tell me. Ukasha, Nauman. Yes, your time is over. Ukasha, please tell me fast.
Sir, he left, I think.
Beta 21. Now 21 participants are there. And in the starting is 23. Now 22. Beta, what are you doing? Why you are leaving the meetings again and again? Huh? What's the,
So it is very less student ratio because in the other classes there are 32 students.
yes, because
Yes,
I don't know
sir.
what 23 in the starting, in the middle also I just see is 23 students. Now it's 22. What is this? So actually, I have a network problem. Beta, this is network problem, mobile problem. Beta, you know, classes are going on online on daily basis. Beta, you have to, and some of the students said that their mobiles are hanging. Beta, so clear it before the classes start. Okay, Sumaya Aziz, yes.
Yes,
Sumaya
sir.
Aziz, you tell me this activity on 45.
Sir, this activity is explaining how we do sieving at home.
Don't read, beta. Now you are 8th class, you can read it and tell me in your own words.
Okay, sir. Sir, this activity is showing how we do sieving at home.
Shafaq Fatima, wait for a second. Yes, beta, continue.
So in this, they have used kidney beans, flour, and rice grains, and 2 seeds. So one of them, they will use one of the sieve to retain rice and kidney beans, and the second one to only retain kidney beans.
Okay.
So we first mix the flour, rice, grains, and kidney beans together.
Yes, okay, very good. Yes, you tell me, Shafaq Fatima, fast, and then again I am going to ask question to some of the students. Let me check. Yes,
Sir, I can tell.
Shafaq Fatima,
Yes, sir.
please, beta, you tell me activity.
So in this activity, like we are knowing that means how can we do sieving at home. So in this we have to like take some of the materials that are kidney beans, flour, rice grain, and 2 sieves, which means one of the sieve which can like retain rice and kidney beans, and a second one which can retain only kidney beans. So the procedure is that like we have to take the ingredients which we have like flour, rice grain, and kidney beans, and then we have to place a fine sieve or a bowl like means down that, and then like we have to place the mixture on the sieve which we have taken, the mixture of flour, rice grain, and kidney beans, and then like after that means what can I say, but like we shake that sieve right over the bowl,
Okay. So,
and
okay.
and then after that means I get it means it's just left a little bit. I have to complete it all.
Beta, now comes to topic, next topic, and uh, that is winnowing. Okay, winnowing basically what is winnowing? It is a method of separating mixture. Okay, by using wind. Okay, just go through the concept. What is the principle in winnowing? The principle of blowing wind is used. Okay, you see, farmers, they are separating the chaff from the grains. Okay, so this thing is clear to you, everyone? Winnowing.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is
Yes,
winnowing.
sir, winnowing is pretty easy. We have learned it since many classes.
Okay, and magnetic separation, you all know all the materials which have a property of attracting towards the magnet get separated from the mixture easily. Okay,
Yes, sir. For example, iron and sulfur. Iron can be removed by magnetic separation.
okay. Please tell me fast activity number 40 on page 46. This activity, please. Fast. I have a question for that because only 2 minutes are left for the meeting to get over. Yes, activity on page number 46. Please, Munazza, you tell me this time.
Okay, sir. So, sir, activity on page number 46. So, sir, first of all, the same is that we have to separate the components of a mixture by winnowing as well as magnetic separation. So, first of all, what we are supposed to do, we'll take a handful of rice and iron filings and we'll mix them together and a little amount of sawdust.
Okay.
And now we'll put the mixture on the tray on which we are going to proceed to the next step. We have to bring a magnet near the mixture, and after we hover the magnet above the mixture, all the iron filings will get attracted. So that is why now sawdust and rice is left in the mixture and iron is removed. Now we'll do winnowing to remove the sawdust, because sawdust is light and rice is heavy. So rice will fall down and sawdust will fly away. Now we will have to keep a fan and a tub down so that we can take the rice. So when we'll tilt the whole mixture and we'll put our hand so that the mixture does not fall vigorously down, and we'll on the fan. And when the mixture will slowly come down, the rice due to its weight will go inside the tub, and the sawdust due to its lighter weight, will fly away because of the wind.
Okay.
And then we'll observe that the rice and the sawdust will get separated from
very
winnowing.
good. Yes. Anyone
We have
can
used
tell, because few seconds only left. Then for 5 minutes I'll continue on the app, WhatsApp. Please, anyone, do not Google. Do it yourself. Okay, and tell me what's the basic difference between. Hurry up on this time. What's the difference between winnowing and threshing? You already read this thing.
Sir,
in class
winnowing
7.
and
Threshing.
Sir, crashing.
Threshing. THRESHING.
Threshing.
Yes. Bit fast.
Sir, threshing is the process in which we have when we put them, like, sir, we have not studied about threshing, to be honest. I don't remember very nicely.
That is right. Beta, this type of respond I want. Be honest always. Okay.
Can I tell?
Listen to
But
me.
sir, I just remember that they